Hey Terry, this is Shannon. I'm one of your latest students, and I'm a different type of student. I'm a student that drives a truck, and I'm very interested in buying a truck cash with my real estate money that you're going to help me make. And so let me let you take a look at this truck. This right here is a Volvo. This is called a 780, and these trucks can get about 1 million miles on them. So if you buy one brand new out, they have 1 million miles that you can put on this truck. That's why I like it. Doesn't go out in that little 50,000, 100,000 mile mark. It goes out at 1 million miles if you take care of it right. But just so you know that this is what I want to do with my real estate money. I mean, of course, while making money in real estate, but I still want to be able to buy trucks. And I don't want to use a bunch of finance. And if I could buy them cash, I'd like to do that. This is a little bit of like what the truck looks like. Back there is a sitting area you can eat in. And if you have a teammate, they can sleep on the top bunk. I don't have teammates. It's just me. I run solo. And this right here is my storage area. So you can see what it looks like from the back. It's real hot in here. There is my sunroof storage compartment. Nothing major, but it's major money. Now this one right here is not like one of the new ones. The new one will run me about $140,000, so I'd have to pay $140,000 cash for one. It's always good to buy a used one, just like anything else. That way someone has broken it in and you can see if there's any issues with it. But this right here is what I want to do with my money. My real estate money, this is it. And Terry, you're the guy to help me.